Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Go2 Bank account online on our computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into Go2 Bank account online on our computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address go2bank.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Go2 Bank. Now, in order to proceed from over here, in order to sign into your Go2 Bank account, at the top right corner of the screen, here you can see the login button available for us. Click on that login button, and over here you'll be required to enter the email address of your account with which you have signed up for a Go2 Bank account, and after that enter your password, guys. And after entering your email address or your password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Go2 Bank account online on your computer. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, or if you're facing some kind of trouble logging in, you can see the trouble logging in button available over here. Click over there to go to the problem which you want to solve on your account of your Go2 Bank. And with that being said, guys, this is how to log into Go2 Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.